How to fix common error in Hulu. In order to fix common error in Hulu, you want to start with the basic steps. Check your internet connections. So go to your settings on your device and locate network and internet from the list. As you do it, so you want to go to internet section. Here you could go ahead and refresh, restart, or you could also go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. Now here's what you can do is other thing. You could also go ahead and close the entire running app in the background. And what you could do is simply go to your site, simply click onto your side button and restart your device. At the same time, that might also be able to fix. If not, you want to go to your respective app store, check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So tap the search and you want to type in Hulu and look for an update as well. If nothing works out, you can simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall it as well. That might be able to solve your issues. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.